I'm Jono, a 25-year-old Aussie.
I love cycling, love being outdoors, and helping people connect with nature.
And I love trees. Tasty trees.
Helping people and myself sustain our environment and our society. I really think I'd enjoy this trip, meeting hundreds of people along the way. My last job, I met 180 people in 3 months. It's quite a few, but a very uplifting feeling being able to touch all those people. Being able to touch all those people, helping them in some way. To share their ideas, to share their thoughts and perceptions on how we can change our society to help sustain our environment.